Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I hope you're well, and I am in my cabin, my little home. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 favourite Caribbean islands, because for 6 months I've been in the Caribbean like every day. I've been to a lot of islands. We've done Antigua, Dominica, Grenada, Guadeloupe, St. Croix, St. Thomas, Martinique, Tortola, Puerto Rico, a lot. These top 5 places are the places that I personally enjoyed the most, and I'll tell you the reasons why I did. But I have to say, I think all of them are so beautiful. Like Dominica, for example, isn't on my list, however, so stunning for like rainforests, waterfalls. So number 5 on my top Caribbean islands is St. Thomas. It is a US Virgin Island and the beaches are beautiful. I've actually done a video on my favourite 3 beaches that I went to in St. Thomas, so I will link it down below. There's lots to do there. There is a cable car that goes up to a top point opposite the cruise port. The cruise port is good, it's got lots of amenities. Number 4 on my list is Tortola. Tortola is great. It is a part of the British Virgin Islands. When we were there, we actually went to another island called Virgin Gorda, which was really fun. I will enter the link here and down below so that you can see the vlog from Virgin Gorda. Also, the port has the best iced coffee ever. And there's also Cane Garden Bay, which is a beautiful beach. I do remember it when I was younger that it was a lot quieter. There's like loads of restaurants and bars and it is beautiful. The view is stunning as well from the top when you are driving down to Cane Garden Bay. So that is my number 4. On my list is Puerto Rico. So we went a few times to San Juan. I hadn't actually left San Juan, so I can't really tell you about the rest of the island. I know that there's waterfalls, there's a rainforest, but Puerto Rico really surprised me. Like, I didn't have any expectations at all about Puerto Rico. I'd never been before, but very pleasantly surprised me. It was beautiful. It almost felt like kind of Lisbon European, but then Caribbean, Spanish American, just everything rolled into one. It was stunning, and there were so many cool places to go. Just wandering the streets of Puerto Rico was like amazing enough, so you didn't have to like really book to do anything or plan anything. You didn't have to get in taxis. So Puerto Rico was really, really beautiful. We had tapas, sangria, everything like that. I am going to be doing top 5 places to eat at in San Juan. I will link that down below if that is already live on my channel. San Juan, Puerto Rico, amazing. Loved it, had such a good time. Number 2 on my top Caribbean island is Bequia. Bequia is part of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's really nice because it's kind of like what you'd think the Caribbean would be like back in the day, like untouched. It's like traditional Caribbean. Stunning. So it is a tender port, so you do have to catch like a 15-minute tender. Even that in itself is just like a little free boat ride, that's what I always say. And you can walk along the sea. There's lots of different beaches. I have got a Bequia video where I was on a pirate ship, which was really good fun, so I will enter that up here. But the beaches are stunning, the food is good, the Caribbean vibes are a rockin'. You can smell like barbecue, there's coconuts everywhere, it's amazing. So definitely I recommend Bequia. is, drum roll please, it is St. Martin. So St. Martin is actually the smallest dual nation island in the world. So it is Dutch and French. Where we docked in the port, it was on the Dutch side. I loved it. I think it really helped because it was one of the only places really in the Caribbean that you could just stroll along to the beach, to the restaurants, and it had like a strip, you know, like a proper holiday strip where it's got all the restaurants and shops and everything along the beach. So it really felt like a holiday place. So rather than having to catch taxis to different areas of the island, it was just so easy. So I think that's one of the main reasons why I really loved it. But it was also just had like a really good ambiance. The beach was stunning. There's mountains all around. I absolutely loved St. Martin. There's a place called Greenhouse that was good for Wi-Fi and really good food, and for crew it's like 2 for 1 on drinks. End of my video. I really hope you did enjoy it. Those are my top 5 Caribbean islands. I have been to quite a few Caribbean islands now. I honestly do love them all, and I think that all of them have got so many beautiful things to do. I've shared videos from Grenada, from Dominica, from Antigua, so all of them definitely have their positives, but these were just my top 5. If you do have any questions about any of the Caribbean islands, please do let me know. But that is the end of the video. Please do comment, like, subscribe. Please subscribe. Would really help me out. And comment down below on which Caribbean island is your favourite. Right, that's it. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Ciao guys.